Every order, our full commitment. Every step, our consistent service. Welcome to JABIL Tyre, an industrial tire plant from China. This is our curing workshop.
A complete range of molds and equipment is here to ensure timely delivery and meet every customer's requirements.
The tire produced boasts excellent pattern and superior quality. Each tire undergoes strict multi-layered quality control from production to delivery. Let's take a look at the warehouse.
We not only provide customers with a complete range of tire sizes, but we also equipped with professional tire press machines and rims.
Choosing a reliable partner means choosing long-term efficiency and peace of mind. With consistent quality and ever-ready service, we are here to save you valuable time and energy for your business.